Picked this little Mitsubishi 6 horsepower motor up for $20. The guy said that it would start, and then it was knocking really bad, and he didn't know what it was, and he didn't want nothing to do with it. He didn't want to put it on his machine because he was scared that if he was working, it would not work when he needed it. So I don't know exactly what the difference is, but one spark plug is a little bit shorter than the other. And if you look at it, this is the one that was in it. And every time I fix the spark plug in the gap, I have a gapping tool. Every time you fix the spark plug, it would come up. You hit the spark plug. Well, I can't do it with one hand, but I just cannot do it. I don't know if you can see that or not. I guess you can't because I can't. So I can put my flashlight on. Nope, no flashlight. So, anyway. Oh yeah, maybe you can see it a little tiny bit. And that cylinder was actually hitting the spark plug. Hitting the spark plug now. So I put this one in. Went out and bought another one, and this one is a BPR 5ES. Put her on hand tight because she's going on a tractor, so see if I can't fire it up for you. Sweet.